In this video, I'm going to teach you the side effects of using the Halpa Yohimb. As you can see right here, we have in here the Yohimb, which is the Positania Yohimbine, which is an evergreen tree native to Africa. So let's see what are these side effects. So as you can see, when taken by mouth, it's possibly unsafe. A chemical in Yohimb called Yohimbine has linked to several side effects, including irregular heartbeat, heart attack, and others can be safely used short term when monitored by the healthcare provider, but it shouldn't be used without medical supervision. So here are some special precautions when taken by mouth. A chemical like this is actually needed for supervision and it's unsafe for pregnancy and breastfeeding moms. It's also might make anxiety worse in people with panic disorder, and it may also cause prostate problems. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.